Today we're going to connect a mainline tracer wire to a lateral or service using TraceSafe's universal base connector. The mainline is a TraceSafe wire connecting to the service, which is also a TraceSafe RT1800 wire. The universal base connector, as seen here, has oblong holes. The back the back trough is where you will put the main line closest to the hinge, and then the lateral or service will connect in the front because of the blockage. So first we can connect the main line. We're going to snap that in and then rotate the connector so that the wire lays flat. Next, we'll take the service, do the same thing, put it in north-south because this is shaped like a football. Rotate so it's flat. Close the connector. Use a pair of channel locks. As soon as you hear it snap, you know it's closed. Click, it's closed. And that's all you have to do to connect the main line to the lateral for your service. You're now done. Eliminates all stripping, all wire nuts, anything else that may be required.